Hello friends, today we will start our last topic, that is applications of integral calculus. First application is here, find area by double integration. This is for 7 marks, that is 5 marks plus 2 marks. Now first application is area in Cartesian coordinate. Therefore for Cartesian coordinate, area is given by area is equals to double integration dx dy. It is in for Cartesian form, and for a polar form, that is area, double integration r dr d theta. Now we will see the first example. Now find the find by the double integration the area bounded by y square is equals to 4x and 2x minus y minus 4 is equals to 0. Let the equations are, first equation is y square is equals to 4x, that is parabola along x axis, positive direction of x axis. Second is 2x minus y minus 4 is equals to 0, that is y is equals to, I will transfer y to this side, so that is 2x minus 4, that is the straight line here. Now if we see here, y square is equals to 4x and y is equals to 2x minus 4, so I will substitute y is equals to 2x minus 4 in this equation. So therefore 2x minus 4 bracket square is equals to 4x, take its expansion, ax square minus 2bx plus b square is equals to 4x. Now this 4x is positive, after completing to this side it become minus 16 minus 4 minus 20. Take 4 as a common here and then take its factors. So factors are x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 4. For x is equals to 1 we obtain y is equals to minus 2, and for x is equals to 4 we obtain y is equals to 4 here. So there also the line cuts x axis at the point 2 0 and y axis at the point 0 minus 4. So therefore we draw here that here this is our required parabola, y square is equals to 4x, this is my straight line. So point of intersections are 1 minus 2 and 4 4. Hence x varies from here y square by 4 to y plus 4 by 2, and y varies from, if you see here, then y varies from here, see the region here, y varies from here is the first point of intersection, this is second point of intersection, so y varies from minus 4 to plus 4. So therefore the integrations limits obtained here, so apply now constant limit outside, so minus integration, rewrite the formula of area. Area is equals to double integration dx dy as it is Cartesian form. So therefore double integration from minus 4 to 4, then integration from y square by 4 to y plus y 4 by 2 dx into dy. Here limits are in terms of y, so first we have to take the integration with respect to x. So dx integration is x, apply the limit here now. So y plus 4 by 2 minus y square by 4 into dy. Next part is now take its again integration or simplify the term now. Now we have to integrate this term with respect to y here. So therefore y's integration is y square by 2, and that 2 that will be equals to 4. This 4 is as it is 4 by 2. So 4 into y, 4 by 2 as it is y's integration. Then y square's integration is y square cube. 3 4s are 12. So minus 12 minus y cube upon 12 from the limit minus 4 to plus 4. Next part is now, next we have to apply the limits to the integration. So upper limit is 4. So 4 square by 4 plus 4 4s are 4 into 4 upon 2 minus 4 cube upon 12 minus lower limit is minus 2, so minus 2 square plus 4 into minus 2 into minus 2 in upon 2, then minus 2 cube upon 12. So here 4 4 get cancelled, so 4 4s are 16, 16 by 2 is 8, this will be as it is, divided by 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are, so 16 by 3, this become here due to minus, this become 4 upon 4 1, so my due to minus 1. Here this minus get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, so plus 4, and here minus become plus here, and minus 2 cube is now 8, 8 upon 12 is equals to 2 by 3. So take the addition of same term, 4 plus minus 1 3, 8 per flow, 8 plus 4 that is 12, and minus 16 minus 2 that is minus 18 by 3. Simplified the term now, 3 6 are 18, so therefore area is equals to 9 square unit. Hence the area under the curve was 9 square unit. Next we will see the example related to circle. Find double integration the area between circle x square plus y square is equals to 9 and the straight line x is equals to 3 minus 1. As it is already mentioned, this is the area under the between the circle, so therefore this is equation of circle having center at origin and radius is equals to 3. Line is x minus 3y, so therefore I can consider the equations. Now here y is equals to 3 minus x. As the equation of circle is x square plus y square, so I consider y square, x square shifted to this side, that become here. So y is equals to under root of 9 minus x square, hence y varies from 3 minus x to root of 9 minus x square. As this is the point 3 comma 0, this point is 3 comma 0 and it is considered in for positive direction, so therefore x varies from 0 to 3. This point is 3 comma 0 and this y varies x varies from the here to here, so this will be 3 0 comma 3, this is 3 comma 0. So therefore the after area formula is integration over double integration dx dy, then after getting the limits, that is 0 to 3, 3 minus x under root of 9 minus x square dy dx, as first terms are in terms of x, so therefore take its integration with respect to y. So 9 minus with respect to y so y dy's integration is y, so root minus 3 minus x, then again taking its integration with respect to x, so under root of 9 minus x square, so x into 9 minus x square by 2 plus 9 by 2 sin inverse of x upon 3. 3's integration is 3x, x integration is x square by 2, then apply the limit. Now upper limit is 3, so 3 minus 9 minus 9 square is equals to 0, then 9 get cancelled here, that is 1 here, 3 3s are 9 and this will be 9 by 2 now. So sin inverse is equals to pi by 2 minus 9, then simplification, 2 2s are become 4 here and take its subtraction here. So this become here now 9 pi by 4 minus 9 by 2 and the finally answer is now 9 by 4 minus